Briggs and Stratton starter rope replacement, courtesy of the Alameda Repair Shop.
We have a broken cord on a Briggs and Stratton 6 horsepower on a Toro, and we're going to show you how to disassemble the unit to get to the cord and replace it. First off, remove the plastic cover. There's 2 screws here already loose, one there and one there. Pull that off. Then your next part is you got 5/16 there. Those got to come out. And on this particular one, it's unfortunately the nut that holds the bottom of the tank is hard to access, so we're going to wind up using a socket. It is a 3/8 socket, and we'll just reach in here and we'll undo that. Well, you can see it here, but right there is where the bolt goes through at the bottom. There's a bushing goes between the tank and the casing of the engine. Make sure when you put it back together that you put the bushing in first. Now we need to undo 5/16 on the dipstick and flip it around. Lift it up a little bit, give it a twist, and push it back down. Then there are 4 bolts in the engine, one here, one there, one there, and one there. Okay, they're 3/8 in size. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you wiggle and pick this up. Oh, this one's got one more 5/16 on the muffler. I should say the anti-burn cover. Get that off there. I'll lift the top of the motor here. Come on now. It's just stubborn. Okay. And there's the recoil mechanism. That's how you get to the recoil mechanism, is in the bottom there. The cord broke right at the end. So first off, check and make sure your spring's okay. Wind it a little bit in the direction that it's supposed to go and see if it goes back, which it does. Okay, so wind it until it gets real tight. Up. And this one here, I think we got trouble. Let's see if we do or not. Alright, crap, it caught this time. Be careful, these cases are real sharp. Just keep winding it until it gets real tight, and then when it gets real tight like it is right there, back it off to a little bit right there, and line it up with a hole, stick a screwdriver in it or something to hold it still. And then you got to get ready to get your cord ready. So when you cut your cord here, take a flame and melt the ends together here, and then kind of pull them forward. That way you got kind of a point. It serves 2 things: easier to thread, and you can see if you line up with your hole on your mower. Where's our hole? There's our hole. Stick that in there, and we'll see. You see right there, it goes right in there. Tie a knot in there. Make sure it's taut. Pull it taut to there. Then take your old rope, if it's all there or just about all there, make it just a little bit longer than what you had originally. So take your old cord out of the handle here. Find out how the handle comes apart. Pull that out of there. Put your new cord in.
So, Rainview Towers got done.
And put it through the hole like the other one. Tie a knot in it. Pull back on it, stuff it in the hole, put it in there, and if all the calculations are correct and you got the rope the same size, it should just go back in. Voila!
Good job.
Okay, and we just kind of put it back together the opposite way that it came apart. Put the two back ones in first, just get started. And let's check it real quick. If it feels smooth, pull back on the lever and see if it's going to pull it over. Oh yeah, okay. So we'll finish putting her together. Don't forget to slide your dipstick back to its hole, make sure it's seated. And put one there. Put your gas tank line back up here. Get your 5/16 in. And then don't forget to get your bottom one. You're going to have to do by braille. Put this in at the bottom, and then you have to get in with the socket. Holds the bottom of the tank in. And then put the plastic cover back on. Then I will take pull the bar back and pull the cord up. Slip it in there and we'll take it outside. Slip it in there. Okay, and we'll see if it needs any further service. Check the oil. Oil's okay. So it's got gas. Push the primer 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And pull back on the blade brake. All set to go.
Lawn mower repair at the Alameda Repair Shop, Alameda, California.